Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on groups, sequences and functions. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given that fx is equal to 3x squared and gx is equal to x plus 1. Also, we are given that x is an integer that lies between minus 10 and minus 1, including both the values. Next, we are given two quantities a and b, such that a is equal to f of gx and b is equal to g of fx. Now, we are asked to determine if a is greater than b, that is option 1, or if b is greater than a, that is option 2, or if a is equal to b, that is option 3, or if the relationship cannot be determined from the given information. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 2, that is, quantity B is greater. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, A is given to us as f of gx, that is, it can be rewritten as f of x plus 1 since gx is equal to x plus 1. So, fx plus 1, that is quantity A, will be equal to 3 into x plus 1 whole square, which when expanded gives us 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Now, quantity B is given to us as g of fx. So, this can be rewritten as g of 3x square. This will give us a value of 3x square plus 1. Now, let us subtract b from a. Then a minus b will be equal to 6x plus 2. Now, we already know that a takes values between minus 10 and minus 1, including both the values. Next, 6x will lie between minus 60 and minus 6, and 6x plus 2 will take values between minus 58 and minus 4. Thus, we see that for all values of x, 6x plus 2 is always negative. That is, a minus b is always less than 0, thus giving us a is less than b for all values of x, thus giving us option 2 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.